Hello student, today we will do question number 2 from exercise 5.1 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. The question is write first four terms of a P when the first term A and common difference D are given as follow. So, question number 1. A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. So first four term will be 10, second will be 20, 30, 10 we will add, this is 40, this we have to find only first four term. Number 2, A is equal to minus 2, D is equal to 0. So this will be minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, because common difference is 0. So if we will add 0, then result will be the same. Third, A is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 3. So first will be 4, second will be, we will add minus 3, then it will be 1, then it will be minus 2, then minus 5. This is answer. Question number 4. A is equal to minus 1, D is equal to 1 by 2. First term will be minus 1. If we will add 1 by 2 in this, so we will get minus 1 by 2. Then it will be 0. Then it will be 1 by 2. Question number 5. A is equal to minus 1.25, D is equal to minus 0.25. The first will be minus 1.25. The second will be, we will add then minus 1.50. Third will be minus 1.75. Then it will be minus 2.00. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.